Welcome to T1M9M. If you are a developer looking for a boilerplate or an entrepreneur starting a new project, T1M9M has two amazing solutions for you. We are going to talk about two products today, Mars and Venus. First, let's take a look at Mars. Mars is your one-stop solution for the ultimate room management system. The platform is protected with a password-protected portal. Once you are in, you will see the user-friendly dashboard that contains key data necessary to maintain your guest house, hostel, or hotel business. On the left side of the screen, you will find the navigation menu that contains room, bed, tenant, utility bills, expense, staff, rents, account, and settings. Let's go to room. Here, you can copy the datasheet or can export it in CSV, Excel, or PDF file formats. You can also print the sheet by clicking on the print button. On the right side of each room, you have the action button that will give you easy access to edit and update the status. Next, let's look at bed. With similar features like room, you will be able to see which beds are occupied and which ones are not. The plus sign on the left of the serial number allows you to remove or edit each entry. A similar feature can also be seen in tenant. From here, you'll get necessary information about your tenant in case you need to contact the tenant or their emergency contact. In the utility bill section, you will be able to view the due and paid utility bills. You can also create and remove new categories that is best suited for your business. In the next section, you can look at the expenses created by your business. This is important for your business to keep track of your expenditures and make important business decisions. A business's success vitally depends on how you are managing your staff. That includes your staff payroll. The staff section is there just to take that extra stress off of your shoulders. Let's not forget the revenue. In the rent section, you can generate rent and monthly rents. You can also view the monthly rents by selecting your range of months and year. You can also see all the rents you have either collected or still need to collect. For your small or medium-sized business, why hire an accountant to do your accounts when Mars gives you that feature already integrated with your room management platform? Now that Mars is taking care of your renting business, do you want to maybe personalize your Vital Office a little bit? Go to Settings and update your website. You can also add professions, ID types according to your region, and change your profile email or password to better protect your assets. So, what are you waiting for? Let's move to the second product of T1M9M Venus. For alumni associations around the world that are struggling to keep the community together, Venus is the perfect solution to regroup and make an impact out in the world. The eye-pleasing homepage contains image slider along with the registration form to join the alumni community. If we scroll down a little, there are stories, events, and about us sections in 3 different columns. Scrolling farther down, there is an Our Alumni and Gallery section. In the footer, there are contact information, links, and a short summary of the association. This sleek design layout is very user-friendly as a new user can get all the information within seconds just by taking a brief look at the homepage. For existing members, there is a login button on the top right corner that will give you access to the member area. You can either log in as an alumni member or a volunteer. Alternatively, you can also sign up to create a new account. Once logged in, the member can personalize his or her account information and details. On the right-hand side, the member can also see a list of the most read stories in the platform. By using the navigation links on the top, you can choose what you want to do in the platform. Let's go to Alumni first. The Alumni section is equipped with a search engine where you can search for members just by typing their names or by selecting the class. Once you find the alumni member you want to look into, you can click on the full bio button to know more about the member. In the chat room, you can just select the class and search for alumni members you want to chat with. Now that you're connected with your class and community, it's time to attend the events and engage with the alumni activities. By clicking on the View Details, you can see a live countdown of the event commencement and the location. where the event is going to take place. Scroll down and you'll be able to see the Google-powered map to help you with the how to get to the event location. Right on top of the map, you can RSVP simply just by a single click. The story section is there for all the publications made by your community members. You can even comment on the article and start a constructive conversation. Events remain incomplete without the photographs that captures the joyful moments in frames. The gallery section is there to keep those memories safe for people to revisit in the future. The pictures can be stored in event-wise albums. In any association, there are people who are passionate about giving back to the community. The volunteer section is for those helping minds of the organization. One can easily see who has enlisted themselves as volunteers, their current profession, batch, and contact information. The virtual notice board helps track the changes and updates occurring within the community. The posts have date stamps to keep track of the latest posts. Finally, the Contact Us page with integrated Google Map to let the community know where the association is headquartered and how to contact the administration. For sending a message right from the platform, one can just use the form below the map and send quick messages and concerns. Venus is what you need to rekindle with your community, replenish and maintain your alumni network. Both Mars and Venus are available in Envato Market's CodeCanyon. Venus for $22 and Mars for $11. So, what are you waiting for? Give life to your business or association now. Visit https://codecanyon.net/user/T1M9M